sports.
And FIDE master Jaden, who is looking to defend his national under-20 chess title in the absolute category, is tied on 3.5 points with woman candidate master Gabriella Watson following 4 rounds of competition. However, Shaw is leading on the tiebreak. Jaden Forshaw is in third. Meanwhile, after 4 rounds on the female side, defending champion Amy Stevenson, who is in fourth on 3 points, trails early leader Kaity Gayle 3.5 points. Amelia Rose Leake and woman candidate master Kaya Gayle are second and third respectively on 3 points. Ian Wilkinson is the president of the Jamaica Chess Federation.
We have the National Junior Chess Championships for Absolute, which involves largely male, but it's called Absolute because female can play with the boys as well. And we have the Girls Championships, and it's extremely competitive. It's the first, since I've been involved in chess, I can tell you that I've seen these numbers in these 2 championships. So it's very exciting for the Federation and for Jamaica as a whole. And these players are not just the best in Jamaica at this age group, but they're the best, some of the best in the region.
The National Under-20 Chess Championship got underway in Kingston on March 14 and ends on March 22.